Ever wondered how self-driving cars see the road or how social media suggests photo tags? Image annotation is the secret sauce. It's the process of adding labels to images, teaching machines to understand the visual world. This meticulous task is the foundation for many AI applications, from medical diagnosis to facial recognition. By labeling objects, scenes, and even individual pixels, we empower machines to learn and interpret the world around them. Want to know how image annotation unlocks the potential of AI? Dive deeper and discover its fascinating role in shaping the future. Image annotation is the process of adding labels or descriptions to digital images to convey their meaning. People, called annotators, meticulously examine images and add relevant information. This might involve drawing boxes around objects, bounding boxes, tracing their outlines with more complex shapes, polygons, or assigning labels to each pixel in the image, semantic segmentation. Image annotation is the foundation for a variety of applications, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. By following a structured image annotation process, high-quality labeled data is generated for training machine learning models. Image annotation plays a crucial role in computer vision tasks. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for details.